I live in the city limits and like most only have room for raised beds and buckets. Do you have a soil recipe for peppers or tomatoes in a 5-gallon bucket? I've tried commercial potting mixes with no or little success. Is there anything else I have to do to be successful? This is Ronnie from Memphis, Tennessee. So Ronnie wants to be successful.
Good.
Right? So do you know of any soil recipes for
There's tons of them out there. Yeah, there's tons of them out there. I don't have any foolproof ones, but one thing I do like to do with containers, especially if I'm putting vegetables in them, I like to use some of the existing soil.
Interesting.
I mean, there's a lot of minerals and micronutrients that are in the soil. Plus, it's a heavier mix, and the soil, the potting mix that he's using, I'm afraid, is too porous.
Right.
So that's why the plant's not getting any nutrients, because it goes right through the bucket and ends up on the ground, and it fertilizes things around it, not necessarily contains in the bucket.
Right.
So that's why I would get a heavier mix. How about just compost from your compost pile? That would be great.
That's what I would do. Compost, good organic soils.
Yes.
Little humus.
Yes.
Little manure.
Yeah. You could do, as long as it's aged manure.
Right, as long as it's aged manure. I think that's a good soil recipe.
Yeah.
Especially for peppers and tomatoes. It don't take much. Right?
No.
So I think that'd be suitable, for them, for sure. And I think he will be successful.
Hopefully, yes.
Doing so.
Yes.
Right?
Compost.
Yeah, and those 5-gallon buckets, make sure you have drainage hose. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.